Hey Skill Squad, let's get real. Saying sorry the wrong way can make things worse. But when you know how to apologize right, you stand out. It takes strength and courage to apologize. Here's the deal. Sorry you feel that way isn't an apology. It's basically telling someone their feelings are the problem, not what you did. And that, my friend, is an even bigger problem. Trust me, don't do that. Although people do apologize this way, it's not the way to go. Instead, a real genuine apology has 3 parts. First, say what you did. Second, take responsibility. Third, make it right. That's it. Let's see what that looks like. Try something like, I was wrong to post that without asking you. I'm really sorry. Be specific. Own your part. It's called taking accountability for your actions. Not your friends, not the weather's, but yours. Next, offer to make it right. Words are good, but actions speak louder. Have you heard the phrase, actions speak louder than words? Yep, it's a real thing. Ask, what can I do to fix this? Or, I want to rebuild your trust and mean it. And here's something a lot of people miss. Sometimes, your friend might not be ready to forgive you, and that's okay. A real apology is about them, not just your comfort. Let them feel what they feel. When you do this right, an apology can rebuild trust, respect, and even your own confidence. It takes guts to be real. And honestly, it's a cowardly move to wrong someone and not be able to apologize to them. So the next time you mess up, and you will, don't just say sorry, mean it, own it, fix it. Hit subscribe for more life skills that school forgot to teach you.